How to fix Rescue Kit for Mac not uninstalling. Here is a script file that you can use to uninstall Rescue Kit for Mac, #bin/bash #the script uninstalls Rescue Kit for Mac. #check if Rescue Kit is installed. If f/application/rescue/kit.app, then #uninstall Rescue Kit. rmrf/application/rescue/kit.app #remove the Rescue Kit preference pane. rmrf/library/preferences/com.rescuekit.RescueKit.plist. #print a message to the user. Echo Rescue Kit has been successfully uninstalled. To use the script, save it as a file called uninstall-rescue-kit.sh and then run it by typing the following command in terminal, bash uninstall-rescue-kit.sh. This will uninstall Rescue Kit from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.